Hello, digital explorers. Welcome back to our channel RB Creators Media. Today, we're diving deep into a transformative approach to marketing that's been reshaping the digital landscape, that is inbound marketing. Get ready to unravel the secrets of attracting, engaging, and delighting your audience in the digital realm. But before we embark on this journey, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest digital marketing insights. Let's check each aspect of inbound marketing. 1. The essence of inbound. At its core, inbound marketing is all about drawing your audience to you organically, rather than pushing messages onto them. It's a strategic dance that invites, engages, and builds lasting relationships. 2. Creating valuable content. Valuable content is the currency of inbound marketing. From insightful blog posts to captivating videos, your content should provide answers, solutions, and insights that your audience craves. 3. Search engine optimization and discoverability. Search engine optimization and inbound marketing go hand in hand. By optimizing your content for search engines, you ensure that your valuable pieces are discoverable by the very people seeking them. 4. Capturing leads with offers. Inbound marketing involves enticing your audience with offers they can't resist. Ebooks, webinars, and other lead magnets are the keys to capturing valuable information and nurturing leads. 5. The role of social media. Social media becomes your megaphone in inbound marketing. It's where you amplify your content, engage with your audience, and foster meaningful connections. 6. Conversion and closing the deal. Guiding your leads through the conversion funnel is crucial. Inbound marketing equips you with tools like tailored CTAs, landing pages, and personalized emails to seal the deal. 7. Delighting and retaining customers. Inbound marketing extends beyond the sale. By consistently delivering value, personalized experiences, and exceptional customer service, you turn customers into loyal brand advocates. Expert interview on the significance of inbound marketing. Inbound marketing is a customer-centric approach that aligns perfectly with the modern consumer's preferences. It's about providing value at every touch point and building trust over time. Now, let's explore some examples of brands that have mastered the art of inbound marketing. Example 1. Brand X, Educational Webinars. Brand X hosted a series of educational webinars that not only showcased their expertise but also attracted a pool of highly engaged leads. This strategy resulted in a 30% increase in qualified leads. Example 2. Brand Y, Compelling Blog Content. Brand Y consistently delivered value through their blog, addressing pain points and offering actionable solutions. Their blog became a go-to resource, driving a 40% boost in website traffic. In conclusion, inbound marketing is a strategic philosophy that focuses on building authentic relationships, delivering value, and guiding customers through a personalized journey. It's about becoming a beacon of relevance and trust in the digital world. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with fellow marketers. Stay tuned for more digital marketing insights and strategies. Do follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Link mentioned in the description. Thanks for watching, and until next time, we'll catch you in the next video.